Hello everyone, welcome to Windows OS Hub. If a recent Windows update is causing system errors, hardware or application conflicts, or other issues, you can mitigate these problems by uninstalling the problematic update. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Windows updates via the command prompt instead of the Settings application GUI. The history of Windows Update installations can be accessed through the Graphical Settings application interface. There is also an Uninstall Updates section that allows administrators to remove any installed update directly from the graphical interface. Let's look at the main command prompt tools that can be used to remove Windows updates. First, let's look at how to enumerate previously installed updates on a Windows machine. Note that the classic wmic command, which was commonly used to list installed updates, doesn't work in Windows 11 25H2. This is because the wmic tool is deprecated by Microsoft and is not installed in new versions of Windows 11 by default. Of course, you can install the wmic command through optional features. In my opinion, however, it's even simpler to manage Windows updates from PowerShell. The Get-HotFix command shows all the necessary information about installed updates, including the update number, installation date, and its type. With PowerShell, it's easy to sort or filter this list of updates as needed. Use the built-in wusa command to uninstall updates in Windows. Run this command without specifying any arguments to obtain a list of available parameters and command syntax. To uninstall a specific update, pass the uninstall parameter to the wusa command and specify the update ID you want to remove. Execute the command. Confirm in the Windows Update standalone installer that you want to remove this update. After a few minutes, the update will be removed, prompting you to restart Windows. However, an error occurred when I tried to uninstall the update next. I'll explain why the update wasn't removed and how to fix it. Open the Event Viewer console and expand the Windows logs, then Setup node. Events related to Windows Update installations and removals are contained in this section. I found an event that contained an update removal error. The exact cause of the error may be indicated here, but not in my case. I examined the preceding event and found that it referenced a corrupted Windows component store. I verified the damage in the system component store using the DISM command. To fix it, I ran the DISM tool with the Restore Health option. After fixing the component store, I was able to successfully uninstall the update. That's all. Like the video and subscribe for more sysadmin tips from Windows OS Hub. See you later.